How to add a store on Wix Studio. So in order to add a store, what we can do is we can head over right here to the apps and click onto this app market. Now what we need to do is we need to head over and then search for the Wix store. Click onto this search bar that we can see right here and then just type in here Wix store. Now, once you have typed it, you can see in here this. So click onto this Wix Stores option that will appear. And then after that, this will load. So on some cases, it comes pre-installed. But if you actually choose another type of website, like for example, a portfolio website, a blog website, it will not become pre-installed. So this is the case for this website. So click onto this add the site option. And then once you have done that, this will open in here this. So what we can do is we can just head over and then make sure to add Wix Store to our site. Let's just wait for this. The store has now been added into your actual website, and as you can see, the checkout and orders has now been added and the finishing touches will soon be completed. After this is done, you should be able to see a product page into your actual site. So that's how you add a store on Wix Studio. Hope we helped.